honey, butter, garlic, glazed lamb chops. Yes, you heard me correct. These are absolutely delicious. And let's not waste any time and get right on into it. So you're going to begin with your lamb chops, of course. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of oil onto these bad boys and give it a luxurious massage as they do deserve. And once we have that oil rubbed on both sides, we are going to season it up proper. On the screen, I have everything listed to do so, and it will be listed in the description box as well. So go ahead and season these lamb chops like your life depends on it. Be very generous and do not ever be stingy with the seasoning. If you know what I mean, go ahead and make sure both sides are well coated up. You know what I'm saying? And I do apologize for my little bit of an absence. I had the worst flu ever. Matter of fact, my whole house had it. Went on a trip to Disney World, came back, literally like maybe the next day, felt like crap, and it lasted for like almost a whole week. Never had a flu like that. I don't know where it came from, but we are back, baby. So I have my lamb chops well seasoned up. You want to go ahead and, rub it on your cutting board. Make sure you have every single square inch of that lamb chop seasoned up proper. Moving on, I have my pan here, heat to about a medium high. I dropped a good amount of oil into the pan, and we're gonna cook our lamb chops in 2 batches. It takes pretty much no time to get that nice, beautiful crust that we're looking for on each side. Maybe about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Give it a flip. You should be looking like this. Don't be scared to kind of peek here and there just to see how it's going. Give it a flip, and you're gonna let the other side cook for that same amount of time. And once that time is up, you're gonna go ahead and remove it from the heat as we cook our next batch. Guys and gals, this one right here is just so good, and you have so many options to serve this with, whether it be some maybe mashed potatoes, some rice, or any vegetables. The options are endless, guys, when it comes to side dishes for your lamb chops. You really can't go wrong in any direction you go with, trust me. So like I said, we're gonna cook this second batch here. Same thing, 2.5 to 3 minutes per side. Give it a flip. Wow, oh wow, they are looking amazing. Look at that crust that we have on our lamb chops there. That looks so good. All right, moving on. Our lamb chops are done. We're gonna set it off to the side as we get that little sauce going. As you can see, our pan is a little bit of dirty. Normally you want to keep all the flavor in the pan, but it's looking a little bit on the burnt side as far as what our pan is looking like. So we went ahead and cleaned it off, and moving on. Pan is about, I would say, a medium. We dropped in about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, about a tablespoon of some minced garlic. You want to go ahead and mix that together, let that aroma hit the herb. Okay, and from there we're gonna drop in a little bit of soy sauce. We're also gonna drop in some honey, and once that honey is in there and mixed up, we're also gonna drop in some freshly chopped parsley as well. And it's smelling so good in my kitchen right at this moment, baby. Look at that, look at that. This sauce right here is one of my favorites to make. It goes with darn near everything, okay? Trust and believe me. So like I said, we are about to toss in a little bit of that freshly chopped parsley in the pan, and after that we are gonna reintroduce our lamb chops, our beautiful lamb chops, into this pan so we can kind of finish off the cook and get them to where we want them to be. Okay, so here are our beautiful lamb chops going right back into the pan, just like so. And you want to grab yourself a spoon, and you're gonna scoop this goodness on top of your lamb chops. You're gonna baste it in that wonderful sauce right there, just like so. Go ahead and baste it up. And after basting it a few minutes on the first side, you want to go ahead and give it a flip, because that second side is going to need some loving too, baby. Definitely. Look at this right here. This is absolutely perfection right here, guys. How beautiful is this dish right here? You cannot go wrong with some lamb chops. Definitely one of my favorite things to make, and as you can see, took no time, took no effort, and you are sure to impress everyone with this dish right here. Trust and believe me, guys. Look at that. So like I said, you want to go ahead and give that second side some love, baste it a little bit for a couple of minutes, and you are pretty much done and ready to plate up. In a second here, you are going to see the end result. Spectacular, guys. So good, so juicy, so flavorful. The little hint of sweet from that honey really takes this to the next level. Hope you guys give it a try. Once you do, double back and let me know how'd you love it. I will be sure to see you all on the next video. Deuces.